Take two. Welcome to Asia Unscripted. This is Jason, and today is Monday, April 13th. Why did I say take two? Well, I already did this video once before, but I did it in slow motion mode. So obviously that's not going to work for a YouTube video. I may put that video up as kind of a gag video later. So I came back to where I started, and we're doing this again. So in the Philippines, they have laundromats just like in the States. You can do self-service, or you can have them do it for you. It's 29 pesos a kilo, which is like 60 cents a kilo. Express service, you times that by 2. I do the express service because I want it fast, so I'll get it tomorrow. Regular service takes 3 to 4 days. Lately it's been 4 days, so not really into that. And even when I'm paying double the price, it's still relatively cheap. It's still like $3. I mean, they'll wash, dry, and fold everything for you and stick it in a bag. So pretty good deal. Most people here in the Philippines wash their clothes by hand. So you guys have seen this before, the Mercado. Obviously it's locked up. Under normal circumstances, it's a very, very crowded place, and they can't have that. So you can't have crowds right now. It's not allowed. Just like barbers are not allowed. My hair, just trust me, it's getting pretty long, and the gray hair is starting to show. So I'm waiting for the barbers to open back up. And no, I don't have my own clippers. I should have bought my own clippers before this all went down, but I did not think about it. So the Mercado usually open during normal times, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights. Today is Monday, so it would have been closed anyways. So that's been closed for quite a while. This is the actual park of IT Park. It's not much there. They don't keep the grass nice or anything, but it's a park. Over there's a place called the Pipeline, which is a bar, I believe. They got pool tables. Obviously that's closed. Over there, well, the Pyramid, that's called the Pyramid. It's a Filipino restaurant. At nighttime it's lit up in purple, but it hasn't been open lately. And it probably won't open anytime soon, until the quarantine's lifted. Speaking of that, Cebu City's quarantine is until April 28th, the enhanced community quarantine. So we still got 2 weeks on that. Malaysia just extended theirs by 2 weeks. Now, this week up in Manila, they just started doing mass testing. So if you see the numbers in the Philippines shoot up in the next week, that's why. They're finally getting the mass testing, which is good. That was one of their requirements to lifting the enhanced quarantine, is knowing who's sick and who's not, so they can maybe separate those people from the general population, which is what I think they want to do. So yeah, you'll see a lot higher numbers this week. Over here in Cebu City, they've only been running like 100 tests a day. They had like 2 positive tests on Saturday from the same barangay, and they locked that barangay down. So nobody's getting in, nobody's getting out of that particular barangay. So they got like a Wuhan type of lockdown going on there. But if you need shopping or anything, the officials from the barangay will do it for you. But you're not allowed to leave your house at this point, which it's a good thing. I still think that the Philippines is doing more to control this than a lot of Western countries. So there's one of those free buses for the call centers. So each of these buses have a particular route. I believe one goes north, one goes south, another goes east. Since there is no public transportation, that's the only way people can get to work right now. Which, it's good for the companies. Companies like Teleperformance, they have a bad rep. At least in the States they do. But here they're trying to take care of their employees. Not many restaurants open. The ones that are open are going to be full of people. Here's one of them that's open. You can see the long line of people out front. Mang Inasal. They do barbecue chicken, barbecue pork. All these guys in green grab food. It's like Uber Eats in the States. So they got an app. You go on there, order food. The delivery charge is pretty reasonable. It's like $1. So for me, that's nothing. So I order stuff all the time from Grab Food, and then they have another one called Food Panda. Food Panda, you'll see the purple bikes going around town. Food Panda doesn't charge a delivery fee. It's free. But Grab Food charges like $1, which is not a big deal. So here's the line getting into the supermarket. They have the chairs spread out a couple feet apart, which is great. There's this outside waiting area, and once you get into the supermarket, there's another waiting area. So you could be waiting 30 to 60 minutes just to get in, which is unfortunate, but if you need groceries bad enough, you're gonna do what you need to do. I just need bread. I'm not gonna wait in that line just for a loaf of bread. I'll go check out the bakeries nearby and see if they have any. If not, it's not a big deal. The supermarket's open 10 to 5, but they have a cutoff at 4, so if you're not in line by 4 p.m., you're not getting in. So, there's another one of those free buses. That's the Concentrix shuttle. So Concentrix used to be Convergys, company I worked for like 15 years ago, but they sold out to a company called Concentrix, I believe. Yeah, they still do the same stuff. They still, a call center thing, which is fine. Across the street there's a pharmacy and a bakery. So once I'm done with this video, I'll walk into the bakery and see if I can get a loaf of bread, and then I will probably use Grab Food or Food Panda to get some lunch, because I'm not gonna wait outside in line. I'll pay Grab Food $1 to do that. Let them sit outside. It's summer now. Between April and June is summertime in the Philippines, so this is the hottest time of year. It's easily into the 90s every day. When June comes around, that'll be the start of rainy season, typhoon season. So for me, I look forward to that. I like the rainy season here. It hasn't rained in Cebu for a long time. All right, so for the second time, we are done with this video. Again, I appreciate my subscribers. Last time I checked, I'm up to 680 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. Even if you don't subscribe and you're just watching, I appreciate you too. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and then hit that little bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll get alerted every time I put up a new video. So for Asia Unscripted, this is Jason, and I will see you guys again soon. Take care.